When I was in high school, I really wanted to study political science. But for some reason, after I graduated, I walked the stage, the Lord removed that desire. I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do with my life, and the door for Valley Forge opened. Through the different professors pouring into my life, through different mentors that I have here on campus, God has really utilized this community to be an impact on my life.
My junior year of high school was when I visited campus for the first time during a breakaway. I just felt the Lord's presence here. The community was so welcoming and so inviting, and the Lord truly confirmed that this was the place where He was leading me.
From the moment I stepped on campus, you could just feel that the atmosphere was different.
It kind of was a dream to study in the U.S. I'm from Puerto Rico, so it's different language, different culture. It was very exciting and a new opportunity.
I've always loved photography. What started as just a hobby slowly became something I realized God could use. I love being creative, and so through being here at UVF, God's been able to develop my calling further.
From the moment I moved in, everyone was very welcoming.
It's great to have people in a similar walk of life in community at UVF. So when I first came to campus, just how everyone greeted me, and through orientation.
Through being in the community, through being around true disciple makers, true followers of Jesus, the way that they would encourage me, the way that they would try to invest into me, the Lord used each and every moment to just soften my heart.
Whenever I needed help, I would just reach out, and there was always somebody that was willing to help or teach me how to do that specific thing that I was struggling with.
When I came on campus as a freshman, it definitely seemed intimidating, meeting new people and getting involved. But there are so many opportunities on campus to get interested or get involved in student leadership opportunities.
You have opportunities all around you and all throughout the whole day to be able to just see the Lord and learn more about Him and learn how to show that to other people.
UVF has opened so many avenues and opportunities for people to serve. I've grown in those areas in many ways that I didn't really expect coming into UVF.
The media production team has helped me grow in technical skills, and also really taught me how to be a leader and work alongside people and just serve.
Whether you're a ministry leadership major, whether you're in criminal justice, business, education, it's all rooted on that foundation, and we can be the light in dark places.
Having my foundation of education built on Christ is so important because my relationship with Christ affects every aspect of my life. Being an educator in the secular world, how can I share Christ without even using my words? My professors, they definitely have shown me how to be that light in the classroom.
There's a big emphasis here of connecting with students, getting to know their heart, and pushing them to be the people that God wants them to be.
I'm in Philly completing an internship with an agency that serves refugees and immigrants. So I've been able to see and apply a lot of those theories and those things that I learned in my classroom.
And it's really such a privilege to be able to partake in the Great Commission, that our school values that our heart is for missions, our heart is for the lost and the broken and the needy.
My second year, I went to Spain. We worked with Fiat Gracia. It's a ministry that works with survivors of human trafficking. We were able to go to the homes and just serve the women. It helped grow my passion in the topic of human trafficking, which is something I would love to serve in the future or work in that.
Those trips to Puerto Rico really transformed my life. Being able to serve the kids through VBS opportunities, it impacts me in a very different way than other opportunities.
UVF has been a place where I've been able to grow in community.
UVF to me is to pursue the calling that the Lord has for you while being community.
So we get to behold the beauty of Jesus together as a community and learn what it means to be a follower of Christ together.
No matter how different individuals may be, that one thing remains the same, and we're all striving for that same goal, the way that it's always Jesus-centered.
God brings imperfect people together to bring glory to Him, to be an impact in the world. That's the heart of UVF, a spirit-filled, loving community that makes disciples.
UVF has been the place where I've been able to truly encounter the gospel and truly learn what it means to follow Christ in everything that I do.